Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have another Ameritron Al-80B here. Needs new So-239 connectors. These ones have like no grip whatsoever. So I will replace those. And see. This looks like nothing. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Ground the grids right to the metal. Add gas discharge tubes. Does not have them. And do everything else it needs. So, okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-80B. Just tested it on all bands. Customer wanted a video of it working on 20, so I sent it to his phone. Your text. So I'm going to show you everything I did. Got a brand new Penta tube. Like I said, customer purchased it and he had it sent to me. So I replaced the gas discharge tubes. I grounded the grids directly to the metal. The holes are already in the chassis. So I had the tabs and solder them. These nuts were loose. Just a better connection. Period, you know, so. Tightened up on a bunch of hardware, fixed some solder joints. Had the wrong line fuses in it, so I put the right ones in. They're 32 volt rated ones, so I put the proper ceramic ones in. Changed the So-239 connectors, brand new ones. Cleaned the TR/bias relay with deoxit gold really well. Cleaned the soft start relay with deoxit gold really well. The input circuit rotary switch with deoxit gold. The output band switch / rotary switch with deoxit gold. I checked the plates on the air variable capacitors underneath and tightened up on those connections. And now this thing is good to go. So, if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. The phone number is 203-892-4119. Sorry, I've been so busy here getting the hard box stuff ready and figuring all that stuff out. So please stay tuned for more info on that and for more amplifier repairs. Very busy shop over here. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. 73. So I almost forgot to add that I actually changed the bias transistor over here for the dynamic bias circuit. So cleaned off the old thermal grease off the metal, used some really good thermal grease, and I secured it really tight. I soldered it, so that's all set. So thanks for watching. 73.